Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Instagram bio fonts. First things first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram. Go to your Google Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, tap on Update. Once updated, you can now launch or open your Instagram. And then here on your Instagram, you have to simply tap on this edit profile. On the edit profile section, you have to scroll down and you should see the bio section right here. And you can just add, type, enter whatever you want. It's about yourself, information about you. Now, if you want to change your font right here, like if you want to add something like captivating, you can go to any web browser and then this time you have to look for IG font. This is if you want to change the font of your bio on your Instagram. So here you have to enter the text. For example, music is my life. And then you have to scroll down here in the IG font. Below, you will see different fonts. And all you have to do here, once you have selected one, is to basically copy that font from IG font, exit, go back to your Instagram, specifically to your bio section, and then paste it right here. You have to remove this one first, long press, and then paste. And as you see, your font or bio font is now different than earlier. Now you can tap on check to save changes, and that's it. If you go back to your Instagram and if you refresh everything here, then you will see that your font has now changed. And that's how you easily use Instagram bio fonts. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.